Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Google Smart Lock is a convenient feature that allows your device to stay unlocked in certain trusted situations, like when it's connected to a specific Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device, or when you're carrying it. It also saves passwords for apps and websites, automatically logging you in without having to type them every time. However, for those who prioritize privacy and security, or simply want more control over their logins, disabling Smart Lock can be the right move. So, let's get started. Start by opening the Google Chrome app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account linked to the Smart Lock feature. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Under Settings, find and tap on Google Passwords Manager. This section contains all the passwords that Chrome has saved and uses with Smart Lock. Then select Settings at the bottom right corner. In this menu, several settings will appear. We start by disabling the offer to save passwords. Tap the toggle and look for Auto Sign-In. Also turn off this feature. Disabling Auto Sign-In will prevent Chrome from automatically signing you into apps or websites using the saved credentials. And last, you can also disabling Passwords Alerts feature. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Google Smart Lock on your Android using Google Chrome. Whether for privacy, security, or simply personal preference, disabling this feature can give you better control over your logins. Thanks for watching or listening. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next one.